Hey friends, welcome back to the Mobile Prof Academy, where we simplify tech concepts for you to fully understand clearly and be able to do real life projects, finding real world solution and bringing in real world solutions. Before we dive into today's lesson, let's quickly run through a simple checklist that will guide you in this journey. Number one, don't be afraid of the terminal. It only looks scary at first, but trust me, it's not that complicated. Number two, consistency beats everything. Practicing a little daily will make the commands feel neutral to you. And three, you don't need to memorize everything. You just need to know how to find and practice the basics. Keep this checklist at the back of your mind as we go along. Command line is simply another way to talk to your computer. Instead of clicking icons or buttons, you type short instructions and your computer obeys. That's it. Nothing magical at all. Nothing to be afraid of. Think of it like WhatsApp chat, except you're chatting with your computer. You type, it replies. The only difference is that the replies are not emojis, they are results, like real results. I know the first thought is these Linux commands are too hard to pronounce. You too hard to remember. But listen, you don't even need to learn 1,000 commands to get started. Even most eloquent, top senior developers still do their research on Google every now and then. Ask them around you. In fact, if you master 5 to 10 simple ones, you will already look like a pro. Let me show you 3 easy ones right now. PWD. Just 3 words, 3 letters rather. It tells you where you are on your computer, and that's it. PWD. Just 3 letters. It tells you exactly where you are on your computer. LS. 2 letters. It shows you what files are around you. CD. Short form of change directory. It simply means move into another folder. That's it. You've already learned 3 commands today. And the best part, they are short, easy to say, and very, very useful. Of course, there are hundreds of other commands. Some that sound like tongue twisters, trust me. But don't worry, we break them down step by step in our premium program, where I will even show you live screen recordings and real world exercises. If you want to go deeper, practice with me, and actually see the terminal in action, head over to our website. The link will be in the description below, and sign up for our Linux beginner premium course. Remember, the command line is not about memorizing at all. It's about confidence. And with this checklist, plus the few commands we've covered today, you are already closer to becoming comfortable with Linux than you were yesterday. So don't stop here. Keep practicing. And if you want structured lessons with exercises, check out the Academy. We make learning Linux simple, practical, and even very fun, even with your mobile phone. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.